So our overnight stay in Georgetown, Texas was awesome. So now on the road,
take the exit
on to Waco.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
We heard you're supposed to come check out Round Rock Donuts. So here we are. The drive-through line is wrapped all the way around. It's crazy. So we'll show you. It's supposed to have biggest donut in Texas. Oh wow. I don't see the big one though. Look at the cinnamon roll. Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. They said the Texas donut. If I can get it through the window, you don't go inside. It's huge. He said he's ordering for a whole year. I said they're that good. And here's our haul.
Here's our order.
We'll see how they are. The line is crazy. We can't even get in the car.
Hey, when you got warm donuts, you can't waste time because they don't stay warm long.
I read something about being warm, but I thought, well, certainly not warm now, but now that explains
Oh yeah, they're
why
warm.
you don't go inside or whatever.
They're fantastic. On the breakfast.
So these, you see they're kind of yellowish tin in the inside. They are delicious. It's because they use real fresh eggs, they said. And that's why they're a yellowish tin.
Here, keep it going. Did you stop it? And that was my second donut when she filmed earlier.
I couldn't even get around to the car.
Before she got around here. I already ate the glaze before she got here.
What do you think, Karen?
I think they're wonderful, nice and warm, and they taste very good.
Glenn? He can't even speak. There we go.
Here we are. We met up with Nell and Ralph. Here
Wonderful adventures on the road to be able to see people
they made
meet up with.
They made a special effort to drive over from, what's your little town?
Liberty Hill.
From Liberty Hill to Georgetown to meet us. And we were so excited. So
And they came in off the road to see us.
So awesome time for a meetup.
Beautiful day. So our overnight stay in Georgetown, Texas was awesome. Able to get up this morning and go get the Round Rock Donuts and meet up with friends right around the corner from the Walmart. So great stop in Georgetown. So now on the road,
take the exit
on to Waco.
to I-35 North.
And yes, we're stopping through Waco on our way back. We stopped on the way down, we're stopping on the way back. And maybe I'll tell you why later.
Where you guys at?
Just on the U-turn.
Okie doke.
All right, and we're gonna leave this Austin traffic. Ooh, Austin has a lot of traffic. Great town, but a lot of traffic. I think 24/7. There is no, I don't think there's a peak time or a non-peak time. But great visit. He said, "Excuse me, you all are on the wrong road." Do you all know you're in the country?
Turn left on
You are not on the right road.
Where I'm at now.
We're gonna find that RV park.
Oh, I know where I'm at now.
Oh, okay.
got two sites. We were in before.
Same sites waiting on us to come back through Waco.
Yep. Seeing the
There's
universe.
Baylor University. I don't remember seeing that either.
To the visitor center. This is Chips. Alma mater.
I remember seeing the universe. Nice looking university.
Those are pretty cool. Cheers. So this is the difference in the table when we was here before. This is what I came back for. The coffee pecan blend. Awesome. While in Waco, you definitely should hit up this Helberg barbecue place. Absolutely fabulous. You will not be disappointed.
We always say
You
your
said
son is-
gave
Hey.
Michael our son some competition.
Yeah, they just gave you some competition, bro.
platter.
This is pretty
Makes
good.
very, very good brisket. We
So-
went to a barbecue place here. And
You're gonna have to redeem yourself when we get home to make sure that this is yours is better.
Still number one.
You're still number one.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
If you ever get to Waco, make sure you check out Helberg's Barbecue. And thank you for checking us out as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, push that subscribe button so that you can be notified when we post a new video. Share it with your family and friends. Give us a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching Knowles Blessed Adventures.